In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Xero invoice in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've made an error on an invoice or simply no longer need one that's been created, it's essential to know how to handle this task efficiently and correctly in Xero, the popular online accounting software. So let's dive in and take you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your invoicing with confidence. First things first, you'll need to access the Xero platform. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Xero website. Once there, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the login button, which you should find situated on the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to entering your Xero dashboard, where all the magic happens. Click on the login button and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This will include the email address and password associated with your Xero account. Type in these details carefully to ensure you gain access to your account without any issues. If you've forgotten your password, there's always the option to reset it by following the prompts provided by Xero. After entering your correct details, hit the login button. Logging in successfully will take you directly to your Xero dashboard, where you can manage every aspect of your account, from invoicing to expenses, bank accounts, and much more. This dashboard is essentially the control room for navigating your accounting universe within Xero. Now, to focus on our main task for today, deleting an invoice. From your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to your business's transactions. Locate the Business tab in the navigation menu. Hovering over or clicking on this will drop down a menu displaying various options related to your business transactions, including invoices, bills to pay, and expense claims, among others. Select Invoices from this menu. This action will take you to the Invoices page, where you'll see a list of all the invoices you've created and sent through Xero. These could range from drafts, awaiting approval, to paid invoices. However, it's important to note that you can only delete invoices that are in draft or awaiting approval status. Paid invoices require a slightly different approach, involving voiding rather than outright deletion to keep your accounts balanced and accurate. Find the invoice you wish to delete. You can manually scroll through your list or use the search and filter features to narrow down to a specific invoice quicker. Once you've located the right invoice, it's time for the next step. On the far right side of the invoice entry, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is more or less the universal symbol for more options or settings in many apps and websites. Click on these dots to unveil additional actions you can take for that specific invoice. Among the options that appear, you'll see Delete. Click on this option. Xero will likely prompt you with a confirmation message, asking if you're sure about your decision to delete the invoice. This step is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the invoice you wish to remove from your records. Confirm your intention to delete, and voila, the invoice will be removed from your Xero account. Keep in mind, once deleted, this action cannot be undone. The invoice will be permanently removed from your Xero account, so ensure this is absolutely what you want before confirming the deletion. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted an invoice in Xero. This process is straightforward but carries significant implications for your business's financial records, so always proceed with caution and ensure you're deleting the correct invoice. Remember, keeping your accounts and invoicing in order is crucial for maintaining the financial health of your business. Regularly review your invoices and financial records to ensure accuracy, and don't hesitate to make corrections through deletion or voiding as applicable. Thank you for joining me today for this tutorial on deleting invoices in Xero. Stay organized and happy invoicing.